Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will show you how to make your edits go from this to this in just minutes. So let's get started. So first add an adjustment layer. The shortcut is Control Alt Y and add vignette. You can change the settings. I usually don't change the settings because it already looks good. Look at this before and after. So I don't change the settings and then add adjustment layer again, and this time use optics compensation. So what this plugin do is this will give you a wide angle or fisheye look. Look at this. If I do this, look, it's a circle is formed. But if I check this reverse lens distortion, it will give you a wide angle look like this. So I usually put like 25 to 30. I will put 25 and look before and after. Don't give a lot of numbers here. It will fuck up your video. Like look at this. This will look horrible. And the other plugin that will looks good with this like other effect is its Gaussian blur. Add an adjustment layer again. You will sorry, Gaussian blur, this one, not legacy one. And now bump up to 25 or 20. I will do 20 and then pick up this and do this. Don't click shift, just do this. Make an oval. Now the mask is formed. Click invert and then give it around 100 or 150. In between that I will give 120 and look, it's blurred from here, not from middle. It looks super cool with this optics compensation. It looks like wide angle. And then if the video is too bright, you can use curves. I usually don't use curves a lot, but if your video is too bright, you have a lot of colors, you can use that. Now you can't see the BG and the color is like contrast is so much, so I don't usually use this. Now again add an adjustment layer. You can also right click here, new, and adjustment layer. Now you search chromatic elaboration, VR chromatic elaborations. Now I usually don't go a lot far with this. I just put 2 and 2 here, like -2 on the red. I don't know why, but it's usually do -2. And look at this. And another thing you can add is these lens flare. You can find these easily on Pinterest. Just search lens flare and I will show you how to make this look cool. Now click on S, bump it up and put it somewhere like here. Change the mode to screen. Okay, Control D and put it somewhere here. Now search for tint, apply tint, and you can choose any color. I'm gonna choose blue because the background is blue. And search for blinking opacity, this one in behaviors. Now here you have to put the max opacity one. Like I will go for 60. The minimum I will go for 50. And how many per second you want this to happen, I will go like around 7, not too much. And then copy all this and paste to the other one. Now look, this will give a really cool look. Now for the text we will use gradient. This gradient RAM, put on subscribe. I usually for the white one I go for the black, white and black. Now take the white point to here and to black point to little bit far down, a little more down like this. For the other color, like here I have blue, I don't put any gradient, I just put light sweep, this one. And to be if either you can put like this or you can decrease the swipe intensity or and do this. You can, it will bump it up to like from here to here. It's about with the more you increase, the more it will go here and there. So I usually like this rather than sweep. I use sweep only to showcase a particular word. This looks better than before, like way better. Although you just have to play with creativity, you can't do this in seconds. Like take your time and put your efforts as much as you can. Now add a drop shadow. And remember one thing, my English is so bad, so please don't mind it. We usually don't speak English in India, so please don't mind my language. I mean, I'm not too good English speaker. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Where I put this? Like, okay. Distance is too much. Let me discreet it a little bit. Okay, this looks good. Now let's check it. No, this looks good. Like, I mean, this already looks good.